Hey everybody, I'm Ethan Allred and got my brother Josh here. Today we are going to be breaking glass.
Or are we? That wasn't a soft hit either.
Imagine running into that. So this isn't just regular glass, this is tempered glass. And the way this is made is from taking glass to an extreme heat over 1,000 degrees and rapidly cooling the exterior of the glass. So the core of the glass actually cools a lot slower, which creates this pull and this contraction. It makes the glass super hard, 4 to 5 times harder than regular glass. So today we've got a bunch of glass panels and we're going to be using various things to break it. So here we go. So to start off, we got this hammer, and I'm gonna hit it as hard as I can. Woohoo! That's a good thing I was wearing gloves. My finger. Okay, so that hammer turned out kind of as expected, but were you expecting this? Okay, so I got 3 coconuts here. I'm gonna see if I can hit that glass over there and break it. Ah! Woo! Can't believe I didn't break from just falling over. This one I'm gonna throw way harder. I'm gonna throw this with all my might. How are you doing?
I'm scared.
Okay, here we go. Coconut round 2.
Oh! The juices are all over me!
You feel the impact?
Yeah?
About knocking the glass over. Coconut round 3, here we go. I thought that was breaking. For as hard as coconuts are, I thought those were gonna do a lot more damage. I was throwing those as hard as I could.
They were shattering and I was actually getting juices and shell hitting me off to the side of it.
That's not juice, it's milk.
Oh, okay.
Milk, we've been corrected. Yeah, those blew up. I shattered those coconuts. That is crazy. So tempered glass is underrated. That's some tough stuff.
If you're ever under attack by islanders throwing coconuts at you, should be all right behind tempered glass.
Okay, so we did coconuts and we did a hammer so far. And so what next? Golf ball. All right, let's see if we can golf a ball into this glass and break it. Here
Let's
we go.
do it.
So Josh is too scared to be holding the glass up now, so.
I don't want to be next to it when he's driving a golf ball at it.
So we jimmy rigged this little stand, so we got this standing by itself. No, we are going to hit a golf ball into this glass.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Wow.
Ha! I win.
Here we go, Josh is gonna knock this ball right into that glass. We are willing to pay for any damages caused by this, so here we go. Dry fire. Air ball.
Disclaimer, I don't golf.
Oh!
I chopped that hard.
Oh! Okay, all right, I don't know about you.
You think you can do better? All right, here you go.
You don't want to be right there. So we suck at golfing. We're like 5 feet away and we can't hit it.
All right, you don't miss this.
All right, I am going to do this. I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna be paying for somebody's window. I drilled the greenhouse. We're just gonna throw a golf ball because we suck at golf.
Anyway, we're gonna throw it. We're gonna throw it at the glass.
We're gonna throw this golf ball into that pane and see if we can shatter it. If we can hand throw it and break it, then a golf club can definitely bust it. So here we go. Golf ball round 2, here we go. Where'd it go?
Hit the edge and the golf ball's back over here.
Good job. I think I hit the edge of it. Edges are a lot more vulnerable than the face, and so that might have been why. We did golf balls, coconuts, and a hammer.
Yeah.
So we are going to be throwing baseballs at this and see if we can shatter one with a baseball. Here we go. All right, so it's time to do baseballs. I was able to pick up this entire bag of like 10 baseballs for $3. Bonus for me. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take half of these baseballs each and we're just gonna throw them at that as fast and as hard as we can and see if we can get it to break. Okay, so me and him each have one like extra heavy ball. I don't know why they're extra heavy. These colorful balls are way heavier than the other ones. Maybe leave in the comments why they're heavy if you know. Well, and this one's cool. It's like a bird. I don't know baseball. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Baseballs can break a tempered glass door.
Those were the regular balls. Those weren't even the harder balls.
Yeah, we were saving the hard balls for last, but that was our first shot. Baseballs are pretty dangerous. So for the next one, we are going to be shooting an arrow at it.
So, we gonna rock off for that one or?
No.
No? You wanna do it?
Yes.
I guess it's his channel, so we'll do what he wants to do.
Bow and arrow versus tempered glass. Here we go. I'm surprised it didn't go through both panes.
It looks like it only went through one pane of glass. These are 2 panes.
Yeah, these are sliding glass doors, so they're insulated. They got that space of air between the 2 panels. Let's check that out.
Oh no.
Hello there.
Didn't even scratch the other one because if it did, it would have shattered. That's how tempered glass works. That's pretty gnarly. Look at that.
You can actually feel the cracks all around it.
Here we go. You can shoot this next one. I just hope you're a better archer than you are a golfer.
Oh well, I hope too. Here we go.
Nailed it. Okay, before we do our last glass break, we are going to do a little experiment. Okay, so here we go. We got 400 grams of thermite on top of this pot of glass. It's gonna drip, hopefully drip through, melt the glass, and go out the hole in the bottom. Look at that. It's so hot. Oh my gosh, that is so hot. Can't even get very close to it at all.
Wow,
Oh, it actually shattered the pot.
Oh, oh.
Oh man, it's hot. Yeah. Look, it did melt the glass though. Melted the glass around the edges. I just didn't use very much, so. All right, let's move on to the finale. Okay, and now for the final glass break, we are going to send a human body through that pane of glass. I'm gonna get the biggest, most epic run that I can, and I'm going to drive my body right down through that glass. We're gonna see if a robber can bust into your house through your glass sliding door. Okay, here we go. rib cage and everything just about caved in. So hitting against that was bad. That hurt.
As soon as he hit that, it was just over.
I ran as hard as I could. I was expecting to go through. I was going through that glass, and it just
stopped him in his tracks.
Knocked the breath out of me. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, like and share with all your friends, and see you next time. Thanks, Josh.
Yep.